In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the status of a Moneygram money order online. If you need to confirm whether a money order has been used, replaced, or is still outstanding, the Moneygram money order status portal makes that process quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly what to enter and what to look for so you can check the status accurately without any confusion. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to the Moneygram Money Order Status Portal. Using Chrome can help ensure the page loads properly and that the form works as expected. Once the portal is open, take a moment to locate your paper money order because you'll need to enter the details exactly as they appear on it. In the first field, type the full 11-digit money order serial number. This number must be entered exactly with no missing or extra digits. It's important to double check what you type here because even a small mistake can prevent the system from finding the correct record. If the portal doesn't return a result later, the serial number is one of the first things you should verify. Next, enter the exact dollar amount printed on the money order. Be sure to use the precise amount shown on the document, not an estimate and not a rounded figure. Matching the printed amount exactly is essential because the system uses both the serial number and the amount together to identify the money order correctly. If you're unsure, pause for a second and compare your entry with the paper before moving on. Once both fields are complete, click the Check Status button. After a brief moment, the portal will display the current status of the money order. This is the part that tells you what has happened with the document. Review the result carefully. You may see that the money order is listed as open, which generally means it has not been cashed or replaced. You may see cashed, which indicates it has been processed and paid out, or you may see replaced, which means a replacement has been issued for that money order. If the result doesn't look right, go back and confirm that the 11-digit serial number and the dollar amount were entered exactly as printed. Accuracy matters here, and small entry errors are the most common reason for a mismatch. That's it. Once you understand what each status means, checking a Moneygram money order online becomes a simple process you can complete in just a few moments.